Today I'm going to be making some juicy and a little bit spicy lamb kofta served up on some warm flatbreads with a lovely drizzle of tangy, creamy feta dip. In my bowl I've got 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of minced lamb. And to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs, half of a small onion that's been finely diced, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Mix everything together to combine, and then we're going to shape them into 8 koftas. So take an eighth of the mixture and form it around a skewer to form a small sausage shape. Repeat with the rest of the mixture and then place the koftas on a grill tray with a wire rack. Brush the koftas with a tablespoon of oil and then cook under a high heat grill for 6 to 7 minutes, turning a few times during cooking until they're well browned and cooked through. You could also cook those in a griddle pan or on the barbecue, and while they're cooking we're going to make that creamy feta dip. To a small food processor, add 200 grams or 7 ounces of crumbled feta, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of cream cheese, a small clove of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of cold water. Blend it all together until smooth. You can add a little bit more water if you want a thinner consistency. Now transfer the whipped feta to a serving dish. When the lamb koftas are cooked, remove from the grill and allow to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. I love to serve the lamb koftas on some warmed flatbreads alongside that whipped feta and topped with red onion, chopped tomatoes, parsley, chilli flakes and lemon wedges. I love to serve this up on a big platter in the middle of the table for everybody to dig in. And don't forget to serve it up with plenty of that tangy, creamy feta dip. See you next time.